everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raeschelle, and if you're new here, I post videos every Wednesday about motherhood and lifestyle. Today's video is going to be my stay-at-home mom morning routine. I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock, so I want to go ahead and take you guys along with me and show you what I do every morning. I set an alarm every morning for 6 o'clock, so my alarm just went off, and I wake up and I make my bed and open up my blinds, and then after I get dressed, I go downstairs and start my workout. This is my third day doing the 12-3-30 workout by Lauren Giraldo, and what that is you walk at an incline of 12 at a speed of 3 for 30 minutes. So right here I'm just doing the workout and I'm watching some TV while doing it. I do have a little paper over the actual screen of it, so that way I won't be able to see the time of how long I've been going or how far I've gone, because then I will get distracted and I will get unmotivated. And even though it is just walking, it is extremely difficult. Every single time I finish the workout, I am completely drenched in sweat. I'm literally trying so hard to get back in shape, and it's definitely a struggle. But my exercise ring is closed for the day, and then I go to my room and start picking out my clothes for the day. And of course, my daughter woke up right when I was about to get in the shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over to her room and pick her up. She does normally wake up at 8 a.m., but today she woke up a little bit early, and on days when she does wake up before I can take my shower, I'll just go ahead and put her in her pack and play while she watches TV, so that way I can go ahead and shower and get ready for the day. And if you guys have any questions about my skincare routine, please leave them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them for you guys. Up next, I'll head over to my room and start filling out my to-do list and my planner for the day, so that way I know what I need to get done. This is the planner that I have, and I'll have it linked down in the description below. This is a dateless journal, which I really like about it. It has tons of different sections that you can fill out for each day, and that way you can make sure your day is super planned out. Up next, I'll pick up my daughter, and then we'll go downstairs and we will open up all of the blinds together. This is my favorite part of the morning because she really enjoys it and she loves playing with the curtains, so I enjoy doing this with her every morning. After we get all the curtains open, I will put her in her pack and play with a toy, so that way she can play so I can get our breakfast ready. We're still experimenting with trying out new foods with her, and so this morning I gave her some French toast sticks, and then I have a microwavable breakfast sandwich, really simple and easy. My daughter is an absolute weirdo and she will put anything in her mouth except for food, so we've been working on trying to get her to eat, so that's why I just kind of introduced some stuff, and I'm honestly really surprised that she took as many bites as she did. As you can see, she's not really that big of a fan of the French toast. She started throwing it and then she didn't really want to open her mouth for it anymore, so I went ahead and switched out the French toast for some banana in hopes that she will eat that. She did eat a couple of spoonfuls, but again, wasn't that big of a fan. After she's done eating, I'll go ahead and take a baby wipe and wipe down her face and her hands. After I'm done cleaning her up from breakfast, I'll put her back in her pack and play so she can watch TV. And I know you all are probably thinking that it's a lot of screen time, but my husband is Hispanic and we're raising her to be bilingual, so I put her shows in Spanish a majority of the time so she can continue getting exposure, even though my husband is away right now. Since my daughter didn't eat a lot of her breakfast, I am going to make her a bottle because she was still hungry. After I give her her bottle, I will go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen and unloading the dishwasher. Next, I'll go ahead and take her upstairs and I will let her pick out her outfit, so she just kind of reaches out and whatever she grabs is what I'll put on her. And then I also grabbed some diapers so that way I can restock her diaper caddy. Every time I get her dressed, she gets really frustrated and antsy, so I always give her something to play with, and today it was a diaper. So after I changed her diaper and gave her a clean one to play with, I start putting on her lotions and her creams and some Aquaphor on her face, and then I'll just go ahead and get her dressed. Also, if you are interested in seeing how I organize her changing table so that way everything is within reach, please make sure you check out my changing table organization video, which I'll have linked up above. Next, I'll put her in her little playpen while she plays with all of her toys, so that way I can get some stuff cleaned up in her bedroom. Her diaper, Genie, needed some changing, so I'm just switching that out. And if anyone ever tells you you don't need a diaper Genie, that's false. Look at how many diapers it holds, and honestly, it really helps keep the smell at bay. After I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and grab all of her laundry from her hamper and replace the bag, and then I'll sit next to her playpen while I'm playing with her and then just go ahead and sort her laundry. After I'm done sorting her laundry, I'll look through her playpen and make sure there's nothing in there that needs to be washed, and then I'll take it downstairs and put it on. Once I come back up, I'll hop in her playpen with her, and then we just have some mommy and me time. I play with her a ton, help her try to walk, and then we just kind of enjoy the rest of our morning together.
Alright everybody, so that wraps up today's video of my entire morning routine. If you guys liked it, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you guys click the bell to turn on notifications so that way you never miss out on any of my new videos. And I also did post my night routine last week, so if you guys are interested in that, I will go ahead and have that linked up above. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys next week.